Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, connecting tech and real life in a simple, safe way. I'm Grace. Today, we're exploring a new development where the Royal Navy is taking a big step toward using AI, not for combat, but for recruitment.
And I'm Joshua, pumped to talk about this. The Royal Navy just introduced Atlas, a real-time AI avatar that's now handling the first line of recruitment queries for people interested in joining, especially those wanting to become submariners.
Here's the background. Previously, the Navy used a text-based assistant to answer questions and triage candidates. That system handled over 460,000 queries from more than 165,000 users, with a 93% satisfaction rate. It cut the workload for human staff by 76%, while generating about 89,000 expressions of interest.
That's already impressive, but now they've upgraded. Atlas isn't just a chatbot, it's a full multimedia avatar. Ask about life on a submarine, and Atlas can answer with speech, on-screen captions, even show relevant videos or quotes from serving sailors. It aims to make the whole process more immersive and faster.
From a compliance and safety standpoint, this is smart. Public sector IT projects often drift into long, vague timelines. But before launching Atlas, the Navy used data, showing that automation reduced human workload drastically and still kept satisfaction high.
Right. The shift from text-based AI to a more human-like avatar could help especially younger candidates who prefer quick, interactive responses rather than long forms or delayed replies. It's part of a strategy to modernize recruitment and reach more people.
That said, we should remember, this AI is meant to augment, not replace human recruiters. According to Navy officials, Atlas is a tool to provide first-line support and filter basic questions, freeing human teams to focus on serious candidates.
Exactly. And that's a lesson for other organizations, too. Automation works best when it handles repetitive tasks, but humans should stay in the loop for complex decisions.
One more thing. The success of Atlas shows how AI adoption can be responsible. By starting with a simpler text-based system, gathering real data, and measuring results, the Navy used a cautious, step-by-step approach before ramping up to a full avatar.
And if this works well, it's not just about the Navy. This could become a model for other public sector bodies or big organizations. How to use AI to help people effectively without overwhelming staff.
So that's our spotlight on the Royal Navy's AI recruitment move, a mix of innovation, efficiency, and caution. A reminder that AI can help when handled thoughtfully.
Thanks for listening. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you stories from the frontier of tech and society.